David, I've missed these conversations for a lot of reasons, but I always love the end part the best, because this is when you channel this most important message. And I'll let you in on a little bit of a secret. I spent 10 years doing this, had about 1,000 people in that chair, all different types of people. The wise ones at the very end of the show say what you just said to me. They say, Brian, we are all one. It took me a few years to understand what they were talking about, maybe 7 or 8 years, but you just said it there as well. And if people can try to start processing that concept, to even go there, to realize that maybe we are all one consciousness, it's a way forward. And again, by definition, it's out of the 5 senses, isn't it?
Yeah, but we're again, back to the same thing. When you want to change something, do you look for the solution, or do you look for the cause of the problem? The cause of humanity's disunity, humanity's deceit, deception, and current situation is that we perceive ourselves as 5 sense labels. That's the problem. Doesn't mean you can't enjoy and express yourself through a 5 sense label, as long as you don't completely self-identify with it and you realize that you are something else having that experience. This code does not seek this separation of 5 sense mind from expanded awareness for a bit of fun and a laugh. It does it because unless it achieves that, it's got no control whatsoever. It has to do it. That's why it does it, and therefore it's telling us what the cause of the problem is, and we can rectify that, okay? I don't agree with you. I don't like some of the things you've done, but you are part of the same consciousness as me, so, maybe we can resolve this. You are me, I am you, and instead of seeing this apartness and everything's apart from everything else, it's a doddle to divide and rule that. It's impossible to divide and rule that which understands that it is everything and everything is it. It's impossible. And that's why they want to divide us and separate us from the true self. That's why they've used religion to do it. That's why they've used mainstream science to do it, to tell us we're just, meaningless, really, just a biological accident. No, we're not. We are infinite awareness having a brief human experience. And when we realize that, the world will change.
Hi, it's Brian Rose from London Real. You probably know that we've just recently been re-platformed on YouTube after 25 months completely in the dark. The truth is, I really need your help. What I really need you to do is click on that subscribe button right now, like this video, and maybe even leave a comment or share the link with friends. We're really fighting against an algorithm that's tried to keep us quiet for so long. And the more subscribers we have, the more people watch our content, the better guests we can bring you, the better content, and we can continue transforming lives. We've been doing this for 14 years now. I want to do this for another 14 years, but I really need your help. So click on that subscribe button, like the video, leave a comment, share this, and we're going to continue to bring you more and more great content. Thank you. Most people will never see this opportunity. Dubai luxury transformation projects have historically delivered 40 to 90% annual returns. That is incredible. These were once reserved only for insiders with access. I spent 15 years on Wall Street, and I learned this: the biggest returns always go to the people who get the call first. Now, you finally can. We've just received a brand new project with major upside potential. Allocations move fast. Click the link, apply now, and speak to my team. This is your chance to see what others never will.